70% of parrots love to dance in the jungle? Let's find out. Deep in the heart of the jungle, our feathered friends are up to some hilarious antics. Watch as this cheeky parrot here practices his stand-up comedy routine. And look over there. Yeah, that one's trying to out-sing a pop star. But wait, it gets better. Parrots aren't just singers and comedians, they're also master mimics. Ever heard a parrot bark